Okay, PSBQ presents now the quarterfinals match between Giannis Gumetio enjoying twice with advantage over Tok Saigon. This is brought to you by the following sponsors. Nandiyan pa McDonald's kita, MC Cargo, Giannis Gumetio, Gian at Basketball Team, Luxury Bishanti, Winax Apparel, Hook Up Apparel, HB Kicks, JPEX TV, and of course, ang Tok Saigon Restaurant. Jampol po tayo. And of course, nandiyan po sina I1 Nation. Saan po natin po dyan si Kiko Duque. And of course, nandiyan po ang Duran. Pops up. 2 points. Wala sa 2 points. 23. Bautista. Agusta. Wala. Pardo. Pops up. Nope, in and out. Nope. Again, 2 points. Chef Manu. Rebound battle. Malakas. Wala. Tabusap. 2 point. Wala. RD1. Bahardo, 2 points. 2 points na naman. Kabusap. Chef Manu. Pops up. Malakas. Kabusap. Pop. Same ball. Yellow ball. Yellow ball. Duran. Wala. Chef Manu, tingin 3. No. Time out. Tok Saigon. 10 to nothing blast already. Been posted by Giannis Gourmet. And congratulations mula pala kanina po sa nanalo na po. And booking now the semifinal seat is Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. And next week po, it's a final quarterfinals match for sure if this game is not been decided already between Ayesha and Oryx. Okay, Tok Saigon, inbounding, binababa ng bola ni Chef Manu ang bola. Chef Manu. Cross the ball. Baluesa. Manu, Chef Manu, binababa ng bola. Tapusap. No, it's Robusta. 2 points. 2 points, Mike. Pops up. It's in. RD1 3 points. Nauni ni Pardo ang bola. Pardo. Pops up. Pisarillo. Wala. Rebound. Pero 1 by number 7. Tulungan. Tabusap. Chef Mano. 3 points. Nope. And nakuha ni Cañedo ang bola. Hands. Duran. Valuesa. 2 points. Again. Kickball. Isa pa daw. And lost the ball. Same ball. Tuk-tuk second. Bola pa ng tuk-tuk. Tulagan. Oh! Grabe ni Belation Cold. Naipit. Maardo. Nice one. Tinikayan. Valuesa, 2 points. Again, stolen away. Hands. No. Tabusap. Tulungan. Wow. Foul. Tuktok sa gambol. Pops up. Kapos. Tabusap, 2 points. Pops up, ayaw, ayun. Valuesa, foul. Substitution made now. Okay, Galang in, Roldan in, Chef Mano out, and Ragusta out. Okay. Pops up, pasok. Valuesa, 2 points. Valuesa point for Valuesa. Second shot, jumpers ready. Nope. Rebound. RD1. Hands. RD1 pops up. Malakas. Rebound. Valuesa, 2 points. At 16-point lead advantage now been posted by Jana. Galang for 3. Bang! Okay, balik po sa 13 kalamangan. Nice D. Galang. Go. 2 points. Duran. Valuesa. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Sabusap. Galang. Nagmamadreg. Foul.
Well, there's number 21, Alexa Fajardo.
Pardo, hope for a foul. Okay, inbounding si Roldan. Tok-tok second ball.
Alex Roldan.
Sabusa, power move. 24-9. Fajardo. Pops up for 3. No. Okay, ingat po ma'am.
Galang with the ball.
Good luck po sa mga teams nyo. And Galang, pinababa ang bola. Pops up. Note. One more time. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Villanueva ang bola. And foul called by Roldan. Roldan called for a foul.
Timeout. Tuktok Saigon.
Okay, nagtama po ang Tuktok Saigon. The score is 7. Ha? Okay, official score is 7-24. Lamang na lamang po ang Janus Gourmet. Janus Gourmet also enjoying a twice service advantage in the quarterfinals matchup between Tuktok Saigon as number 2 sa ligang ito. Okay, Pesarello.
2 minutes and 47 seconds.
Pesarello. Pesarello mukhang talagang nag-buot ngayon. And Duran to Pesarello. Pops up for 3. Bang! A 20-point lead advantage already again by Janus Gourmet. Wow!
Ball is number 21. Renzo Fajardo. Second personal foul. Long on the ball.
Sabusap.
To Sabusap.
Kick pass. Pops up Edward. Malakas.
Long by Fajardo.
Pardo. Nice play broken. Bola po ng Janus Gourmet. Jump around! Jump around! Jump down! Jump down! Jump around! Pesarello. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Valuesa. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 7. Lagang 2 points. Pesarello. Binababa ang bola. Pesarello. Whoop. Number 7. Tulagan. Pops up. Nope. Sabusa, Balangas Pectus. RD1. Foul.
Ball is number 8. Roldan.
Roldan called for a foul.
First personal foul.
A minute and 15 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Again, Duran pops up. Nope. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. And Hans Cañedo for 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by the white shirts again. RD1, binababa ang bola. RD1, nawala ang bola. And Roldan. Roldan, 2 points. 9-11, 27-11. 16-point lead advantage. Oop! Foul. Kickball rather, sorry. Kickball.
36 seconds.
It's a kick. Nice D. Roldan, pinababa ang bola. Roldan, Tulagan. No! And Hans Cañedo. Pesarello 2 points. Pops up. Nope. Ragusta. Pops up. Wala na. Roldan naman. Nice D. Nice hands.
4 seconds.
Sa busa, wala na.
First quarter.
First quarter is ended. Ang score po natin is 11-29. An 18-point lead advantage being posted by Janice Gumay. Janice Gumay Tio, mamili po kayo. Team Spicy, Team Normal, mamili po kayo. Yan po ang Janice Gumay Tio. And of course, sa Tutok Sagon Restaurant po tayo. Yan, basahin po natin. Sabi rito, taste the essence of Thailand, Vietnam, and Myanmar or Burmese cuisine. A bold street food classic made to delight at Tutok Sagon Restaurant. We are kids friendly po kami at vegan options are available. Open daily po kami and to further reservations, call the number 3079-888-9. Yan po ang Tutok Saigon Restaurant. Yan po yan. And balik na tayo sa ball game. Roll down for the inbound. Roll down to Galang. Galang, binababa ang bola. Galang. Roll down. Edward for 3. No.
Rebound sa pusa.
Wala pa rin. Edward. 2 points. 29-13. 100 Pesarillo. Final 2 points.
Tyler, is a hero.
Ha? 2 points. Galang for 2. Nope. Apos. Roll down 2 points. Roll down rebound. And Galang 2 points. Galang. Ay. Okay, 20 po kalamangan po ng team Janice Gumay. Nandiyan na rin po si Velasco. Pops up. Nope. Rebound battle won by Edward. Pops up. Wala. Okay, sa kunya nandyan din. Pesarillo, tinggi 3. Ayaw niya. Loremia for 3. Loremia. Wala. Number 7. Kay Galang. Number 1, Galang. Nope. Rebound won by Loremia. Velasco 2 points. Edward. Malakas. Yun, sa busap. Piliwan sila.
Zona Bahara. Pesarillo. Ball to the line. Pass to the line. Cesarino, really wrong. What a play! 2 points, Fajardo.
Fajardo, 2 points. Galang. Edward. Nope.
Gumano.
And white shirts. Pardo, binababa ang bola. And ayun, 2 points.
Cesarino.
Again, Pesserio 2 points. 22-point lead advantage already. 41-17 already. As per official score. Pops up. Nope. Rebound sa Busab. Pops up.
9 to the ball.
41-19. Velasco. No, 2 points.
Robbie Velasco.
Wala na ito ka. Kabusap. Edward.
Gumano, Tugu. Robbie Velasco, pasok sa kanya. What a step back.
And one play. And one pa.
Ball goes number 80. Substitution.
Edward, labas muna para kay Robusta.
Ball is shot by Renzo Fajardo.
Fajardo shooting for the bonus free throw. Pops up. It's it. Basket made para kay Fajardo. Sa Busab. Rebounding. Not Galang ngayon. Galang. Ragusta. Pops up. Kapos. Sa Busab. Miss.
Roger Reed.
Out of bounds. White shirts for sure.
Dallas Ball.
White shirt. White ball. 3 minutes 49 remaining. Nope. Palpal. Agosta. Talaga. 2:56 remaining. Galang. 21-46. Pesarillo. Okay, 23-point lead po ang advantage po ng Giannis Gourmet.
start moving. Bagusta.
Foul!
There's a foul.
Who's foul rep?
Ball jersey number 21, Fajardo.
Jersey number 21 called for a foul.
Third,
A minute
jersey
20
number
remaining sa ating second quarter action. Ragusta first shot, tapos. Second throw, Ragusta, jumpers ready po tayo.
Second throw.
Tapos sa hook shot, nope,
Wala pa rin.
hook shot.
Sabusa.
Okay, 21-point lead advantage by Janus Cometio. Pops up, wala. Galang, 2-2. Foul.
There's a foul, jersey number 26, Lorena.
Lorena, 26 called for a foul. 27-46, 50% remaining. And Galang for 3. Nope. One more time. Ayun si Pajardo. Pajardo again. Pajardo. Acuna, 2 points. 48-25. 48-27 rather. Tulagan. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Tulagan. Wala pa rin. Fade away shot. Wala pa rin. Foul on Galang.
Ball jersey number 1. Gala.
Galang called for a foul.
11 seconds.
Okay, RD1, mukhang papasok muna. Ano? 11 seconds remaining. Halftime po tayo pagkatapos ito. Pops up. Nope. Galang. Galang. Nagmamadali. Okay, halftime po tayo. This is the quarterfinals. Laglagang portion po ng PSBQ. You're watching now Janus Gumay and Tuktuk Saigon. And Janus Gumay is enjoying now the twice to be the advantage over Tuktuk Saigon.
Low Mike Tex.
Kailan, may happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
tayo. Happy birthday kay Winax Apparel. Happy birthday po sa Winax Apparel and more birthdays to come. Okay, that's Winax Apparel. Okay, halftime po tayo yun. Happy birthday po, Mr. Winax Apparel. Si Boss Winax, happy birthday po.
Mr. Winax.
And more birthdays to come po pala. And God bless po sa iyo parate. Yan. Okay, halftime po tayo yun. Happy na birthday pa. Halftime tayo talaga. Halftime pa lang po tayo po. Magantay tayo po tayo sa isang dali po. And the score is right now is 47-48. Laman po ng 21 puntos ang Giannis Gumiti. Mamili po kayo Team Spicy, Team Normal. Yan po ang Giannis Gumiti. Yan. May pahing mo ka? Siniputan ng mga pesos sa mangyayari, number 2 ng Giannis. Ngayon, ang kahalabanan ng Giannis kundi KSW.
Hindi.
Kung man sila man na nasa Oryx at sa Ayesha.
Nakakalaman na.
Yun ang ano, yun ang ano. Ang Toro naman,
Ayun ang po, makakalaman na KSW.
PSW. Gratilin ano? Gratilin Harsha pala maglalang.
Ganda nga naman.
Kanina ka.
Back to the building for the third quarter. Happy birthday, Mr. Erwin Ardeoso.
AK Winax Apparel. Idol, don't get to the house without wearing it. Yan po ang Winax Apparel. Okay, RD1. RD1. And to Pahardo again. Pahardo, binababa ang bola. Balik.
Canelo.
No. And yellow shirts. Bola pa ng yellow shirts kagad. Yellow shirts. Galang. Roldan sa pusap. Sa pusap. Driving strong. No. Pops up. Wala. Nakuha. Woo! Malakas. Pops up. No. Maluwesa. Power move. Driving. And intercepted. Galang. 2 points. Ding ding dang ding dang ding dang. Pops up. Nope. One more time. Acuna. Nope. It's Fajardo. It's RD1. Yes, Jerry. Galang. Intercepted pero dubay ko ng RD1. RD1 and to Han. Acuna. RD1 again. Pops up. Nope. Pato, one-hander. Patay butike. Galang. Edward Sabusap. 2 points. 20 po kalamangan po ng Team Janus Gourmet. Fajardo and now to Acuna. Fajardo, RG1, Acuna, Fajardo, pops up one-hander, nope, Sabusap na rebound. And Roldan, intercepted, pops up, number 7, no good, rebound, number 1. Baluesa, 2 points. Yo. Okay, timeout call by Tuktok Saigon. The score right is 56-31 at 25-point advantage over Tuktok Saigon. Ha? Hindi naman? Di ba salulo ka? Salulo ka ng gano'n? Salulo? Ha? Okay. Anong team mo daw? Makinet ka. Okay. Duty free. Galang, binababa ang bola. 6 minutes. Nice one, number 7. Acuna again for 3. Bang! Go! Galang, 2 points. Galang number 1, 2 points again. Galang. And Hans, thinking 3. Ayaw niya. Pops up. Pasok. Six minutes, 7 remaining. Sabusap, and one play. And one play, Mark Sabusap. Mark Sabusap shooting for the bonus free throw. Bonus free throw coming up para kay Mark Sabusap. Sabusap, pops up. No! Velasco, nakinibang. Velasco. And Velasco for 3. Wala. Tuktok Saigon ball again. 37-58 at 21 point advantage over Tuktok Saigon. Being enjoyed by Janus Gourmet. Galang for 3. Malakas. Number 29. Again, Duran. RD1. Acuna. Velasco. Thinking 3. Nope. Rebound number 7. Galang. 2 points. Pops up Galang. Wala. Tapos. Foul.
Ball against number 7.
Jersey number 7 called for a foul.
Substitution.
Valuesa, number 11, shooting for 2. 39-15 ang score po natin ngayon. Pops up. Pasok. Basket me. A 20-point advantage again enjoyed by Janus Gourmet, the white shirts. Second shot, no good. Rebound. Mark Sabusa for the rebound. Roldan. Edward for 3. Bang! Umahapol.
Mark Sabusa.
Don't look now. It's a 15-point advantage by Janus Gourmet. Pops up. Arliwan again sa both of the rebound. Roldan. Same ball. Yellow ball.
Same ball.
Yellow shirts.
Ball the ball by Roldan.
Sabusab.
To Sabusa.
Nagusta. No. White shirts. Ha? Sabusab again. Pops up. Nope. It's Edward for 3. Tapos. Foul.
Ball against number 30. Sabusa.
Sabusab called for the foul.
Here's personal ball.
2 minutes 52 remaining.
Involving the ball, Ivan Pisarillo.
Pesarello to Duran. Duran. Pops up. Yes, sir. 62-44. Again, a 20-point advantage being posted by the white shirts. Roll down for 3. Nope. No good. Points. Again, back to back. Yellow ball.
Substitution. Going to the ball,
Ragusta.
The one and the long ball is number 14. 10. The basketball. 27.
Okay, third quarter is ended after one more quarter. Then we can say now Giannis Gimena will not book not the next time semifinal seat over Tuk-Tuk Saigon. This is also the Arvin G. Production. Good morning, good morning, good morning Qatar, good morning to the world. And you're all now watching right now the Tuk-Tuk Saigon and Giannis Gimena quarterfinals match.
After the goal for the final quarter.
Okay, last quarter po tayo mga boss.
Tuk-Tuk Saigon.
Bola po ng Tuk-Tuk Saigon. Okay, Galang for the inbound. Galang. Inbounding with Dawa Chef Manu. Ilabas mo muna si Edward at Saragusta.
Shemano.
Waluwesa, 2 points. With advantage. Foul!
Wow, number 26, Rosario. Substitution.
Okay, Ragusta, labas, pasok muna para kay Roldan. Roldan out, Ragusta in. Malakas, sabusab. Nope.
Rebound by Artie Juan. Set foul. Travel. Zala.
Parang
Tyron Zarino.
galang, nope. Ragusta, malakas.
Bautista. 2 points. Set foul. Ituloy na.
Foul.
Substitution.
Pushing foul. Hands.
Foul number 8, Candelo. Set foul. Right to three. Red. Set foul. Three. Tracy Rodriguez.
Foul.
Foul is number 11, Rodriguez.
Take 2. Tulagan, take 2. Nope. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok. Patay putik eh. Tama ko by Janas.
Back to the ball game.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the midst of this
Green ball. Yellow ball.
The second ball.
Yellow ball. Okay. And Pardo Stobe. Pahardo. Tapos ang bola. Hindi. Hindi pumasok. And Pesarillo. Nope. It's Duran. Pops up. Yes, sir. 3 minutes 13 remaining. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Nope. Wala pa rin. Foul.
Foul number 8, Cañedo.
Hans again called for a foul.
Cañedo.
Hans Cañedo for personal fouls. 1 per graduate.
Personal by 21.
Wala. Second throw. Ayos.
Second throw by
Hindi
21.
pinagpawisa, sir. Maluesa, Pahardo, Pesarillo, malalim. And to Chef Manu. Okay, Edward, 2 points. 64-94, 30 kalamangan. Pops up. Lost the ball. Lost the foot. Wala yung footwork. Okay, Century. Okay, out of bounds. Nice D. Nice one. Chef Manu, 2 points. Wala. And Mr. Sagusap, Chef Manu again. Okay, 7-102, 31 kalamangan po ng white shirts. Janas. Okay. Baseball West also complete the play. Sagusap. Nope. Wala pa rin. Kapos. Yellow shirts.
35 seconds.
35 cents remaining.
Ragusta. 27.
Okay, that's it. Welcome to the semifinals. Janas Gumetiyo. Final score 102-73. Juventus now the final game for the day and the quarterfinals match with Janas Gumetiyo and Tugtog Saigon. And congratulations for Janas Gumetiyo for winning the ball game. And welcome to the semis po, Janas Gumetiyo. Idol, salamat sa Idol ha. And before we go, magpapasahan po tayo sa ating mga sponsors. Best Biggie would like to thank the following sponsors. McDonald's at MC Cargo. Nandiyan po ang Wings Apparel, Dr. Shanti, Janet's basketball team. Janet's committee also. And of course, HV Kicks, HV Apparel, of course, HV Apparel, and JPEX TP. Maraming salamat po. And the qualifiers has ended already for today between Janet's Kamay and Tok Tok Saigon. Thank you very much po and God bless po sa atin lahat.